Next, we welcome Djallal Bouabdallah, founder of Digital Bridges and co-founder of MAPLIANCE, with his talk, Data-Driven Transformation, Scaling Businesses with AI, Ethics, and Strategic Vision. In this session, Djallal will explore how companies can embed a data-driven culture and harness AI at scale, all while prioritizing ethical frameworks. With real-world case studies and practical advice, he will show how organizations can gain a competitive edge and build trust through responsible AI. I welcome Mr. Djallal Bouabdallah for his incredible talk.
شكرا. السلام عليكم. Excuse me if my English is a little bit not perfect. I'm from Algeria, so usually we use French and Arabic, but this is challenging for me. So today I'm going to talk about data-driven transformation. When we scaling businesses with AI, and as she said, Mrs. Norhan, ethics and also strategic vision. So I'm Djallal Bouabdallah. So I'm an expert in digital transformation and cybersecurity. I have more than 20 years experience in this field. I started my experience in information security, and now I'm the founder of Digital Bridges and MAPLIANCE, which are two startups in the field of cybersecurity and data compliance. So, in our session today, we'll cover the digital frameworks and digital revolution impact on that, and discuss how data is our currency. We'll dive into scaling business through AI and the vital role of cybersecurity and ethics. And I will present a concrete retail transformation case study. And finally, we'll explore the revolution role of innovation like privacy preserving machine learning, what we call PPML, which is setting now a new standard in how we handle sensitive data. Let's set the stage for the transformation. Today, the digital revolution is not just a distant future, it's happening now. And as we navigate this transformation, it's crucial to balance with and between cutting-edge technologies with the ethical and security frameworks that protect our data and maintain trust. Today's audience, students, government, decision makers, and all these fellow experts plays a vital role in shaping in the future. So, the context here, so as you see, the data is no more something we cannot store, but data is now a strategic asset. Data is truly the new oil, the new currency. We all know that the data is the new oil. We say, before we will say that who own information, we will own power. Now, who own the data, own the power. So as we navigate and we see all the insights that are on the internet, we see that IDC project global data creation to hit 175 zettabyte by 2025. And however, this value lies not just in the quantity of data, but in our ability to integrate and translate it into actionable insights. Think of data as the lifeblood that fluid informed strategic decision making across every organization. Let's take a look to this infographic. When you see what has been done by IDC, and you can find it on Statista, you see that the amount of the data is growing up very faster. In 2025 will be 175 zettabyte, but look at in 10 years, it will be multiplied by 10. And you see that now data is currently and completely reshaping how we live, and especially live and we work, and also it plays today a big role in our digital roles. So, how we can build a robust data framework, from data collection to integration and analytics. First, as you see, so the harness of full potential of data, we need this robust data framework that collect data from multiple sources, internal systems, IoTs, social media, and especially since nearly 90% of the global data is unstructured now. When paired with advanced analytic companies, can boost profitability by up 38%. And according to McKinsey, however, this transformation must also ensure strong data governance and compliance. So we need to select these sources. We can use advanced analytics, and we use them for data governance. The other part is the part of cybersecurity and data protection. Now, if we would like to secure this digital frontier, we need to play, and we know that we are in this era where data breaches cost average like 4.335 million. This is what we seen in the last report by IBM in 2022. And innovative solutions such as the PPML now, what we call the privacy preserving machine learning, is a game changer. As shown you see on the next slide how it works. For example, when we have the traditional AI workflow, we collect, let's say, sensitive data. After we are going to do a processing. But what we know that there is a risk of data exposure. But with the PPML, there is another, manner of thinking or processing. So we take this sensitive data, but we encrypt them and anonymization them also. Then we'll do the processing, and after we can secure these insights. The other thing is that the ethical side. So the ethical side, especially what we are going to see, is how we can do now businesses through this kind of transformation. Okay. So AI now, we see that AI is the catalyst for many businesses. It's not only about automating processes or reduce human error. AI also is personalized customer experience at scales, and we see that IDC said that the AI spending is projected to double over 110 billion by 2030. And PwC estimate that AI could add to 15.5 trillion to global economy by 2030. So it's a huge amount. It's a really, really huge amount. And as you see that also the strategic decisions now are all based on the AI to predict analytics lead to more informed and also agile decisions. Mrs. Norhanto speak about the bias. I would just like speak little bit about this. So when we integrate AI into our operation now, ethical consideration become paramount. Studies indicate that biased data can reduce AI effectiveness by up to 30%, and this is why we must focus on regular audits and establishing ethical guidelines. For example, incorporating PPML techniques such as federated learning and differential privacy also ensures that our algorithm work with anonymized data, helping to mitigate bias and enhance fairness, while preserving privacy. But let's move now to a concrete use case. I did this use case for the retail transformations. So consider a leading retail chain that leverages AI to integrate customer insight with inventory management. So what we have, so we have a data management challenge. So handling diverse data sources securely. So what we do is studies. So the challenge was to manage disparate data sources while safeguarding sensitive customers information by deploying predictive analytics and with the robust PPML enhanced data framework. This chain achieved a 25% reduction in excess inventory, a 15% boost in customer satisfaction, and a 20% rise in profitability. This case really clearly and clearly illustrates that combining advanced AI with cybersecurity practices drives tangible business changing results. So let's move now for the strategic vision and organization culture. We see that the true digital transformation is not only about technology, it's also start with leadership and culture. So we need to work on this digital culture. Companies that foster a culture of innovation and invest in continuous upscaling see digital changes happening 3 times faster. As leaders, we must inspire changes by promoting ethical responsibility and ensuring that every layer of our organization is ready for tomorrow challenges. So leadership, culture of innovation, and also investing in talent is very, very important. Just to summarize now and to recap, in summary, so leveraging data, AI, and ethical practices can now fundamentally transform your business model. And we have seen this while traditional AI frameworks pose risk, and innovation like PPML provide a secure way to harness full potential. And the key message for each of you now is to be proactive, embrace these transformative strategies, fortify your security, and ensure that your AI initiatives are ethical and transparent. And this will lead the charges in this digital revolution. Thank you for your attention. And I'm open for any questions. It was clear? Little bit? So thank you very much.
I would love to thank Mr. Djallal for his incredible talk and for his informative session. I hope that it was fruitful for all of you. Before we wrap up, I would love to give you, of course, a certificate of recognition for coming today. Thank you so much. One person.